All right, fifth grade. Today we're going to take a look at some division problems that don't end perfectly. So these are going to be division problems that don't divide evenly and will have some sort of remainder. The nice thing is that almost the entire process is exactly the same. We just do one extra thing at the end. So I've got this problem. It's 8,571 divided by 7. All right, so I'm going to start my process. This is our important number. I'm going to go one digit at a time as I go across this bigger number. Okay, so how many times does 8 go into 7? Well, 8 goes into 7 one time. Put the 1 up there. 7 times 1 is 7. And then I do my subtraction. 8 minus 7 is 1. Bring down my 5. Start the process again. How many times does 8 go into 15? Well, I know that I can get to 14, which is 7 times 2. 7 times 2 is 14. I put that below. I do my subtracting. Drop my 7. All right, the next one. How many times does 7 go into 17? Well, once again, I can get to 14. Can't go one more because then I'd be at 21, which would be too big. 7 times 2 gets me 14 once again. Do my subtracting. Bring down my 1. All right. So now I got to think, all right, how many times does 7 go into 31? Well, it doesn't go in there exactly like we've been working with this last number. There's going to be a little bit left over. I know that 7 times 4 is going to get me 28. I'm going to move this over here, 31 minus 28, kind of shifting this because I ran out of room. I'm going to do that subtraction. 1 minus 8, can't do that. Do a little borrowing. 11 minus 8 is 3. So I've got 3 left over. I don't have any more numbers to bring down. All right, so we've run out of numbers to bring down. I still have 3 left over. 7 can't go into 3. So that means that we can't divide 8,571 by 7 exactly. So we would divide it up into 1,224 groups, and we would have a remainder of 3, or we'd have 3 left over. So in our answer, what we do is we put a little r, and we write how much is left over. All right, remainder 3. You know that you've got the right answer with your remainder, or one way you can check it is to make sure that your remainder should never be bigger than the number you're dividing by. If you know that your remainder is bigger than the number you divided by, that means you could have gotten another 7 or another 3, whatever it is, into one of your multiplication division type problems. Okay, so that's how you write it. When you type it in, you'll just put 1224, put a little r, and then the number 3. Same process, you're just going to have something left over at the end that we call a remainder. All right, good luck as you practice a few of these problems.